Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Georgia from Getsitecontrol, and in this video I'll give you a complete overview of the contact section of the Getsitecontrol dashboard. We are already looking at the contact section. Here you can find all the contacts ever collected by your forms or imported from other sources. Here at the top you have the import button. You can import contacts from MailChimp, from Klaviyo, from a CSV file. You can manually add the single contacts. And if you are on Shopify, you can import contacts from your Shopify customers database. You can also apply filters to your contact database. You can filter your contacts by the segment they belong to, by the tag they have assigned, by their country, their marketing status, and so on. And if you're on Shopify, you can filter contacts by their order count, the amount they've spent, or the last date of their order. Also, you can filter contacts by the broadcasts they have received, opened, or clicked on, the number of broadcasts they have received, opened, or clicked on, and the last date they received, opened, or clicked on a broadcast. Once you have selected your conditions, you can save this as a segment, and you can also send them an email broadcast right away. So you'll click this button, and you'll craft the email for the contacts that you have selected. As an alternative to selecting your own conditions, you can choose a template. For example, subscribers who didn't receive any email, subscribers who came recently, and so on. If you select one or more contacts, you can perform a series of actions. Here we have the actions menu. So you can send them an email broadcast, as I have already showed you. You can run a workflow for them, so you can include them in an email marketing automation. If you're interested in knowing more about that, we have a dedicated video, which is going to be linked on the screen. You can also download the selected contacts. You can assign them a tag. You can remove a tag from them. You can resubscribe them manually, or you can unsubscribe them from your list. And you can also delete the selected contacts. If you click on a contact, you can see its card. Here you're going to find all the information that you have about this contact, the tags they have assigned, and the responses to your forms. And on this other side, you have the interaction history from the moment they joined your list to every interaction that happened afterwards, interactions with your emails, your widgets, all of that is here. And that's it. That concludes our overview of the contact section. Now go explore it on your own.